One thing that Massachusetts homeowners should know that's happening, but maybe don't really understand that's happening, is that we've had a lot of private equity companies come into the state and buy up, frankly, some of our competitors. And so as a result, what you're seeing when you think you're getting multiple quotes or multiple options from different companies, in many cases, you're actually getting the same option from the same company using different names. And so looking at the company, seeing if they're independently owned or who owns them becomes really, really important, because at the end of the day, it could be one company that's giving you three different options. At Endless Energy, we focus on giving you options, but not just the same option. We want to make sure you understand, like, here are 4, sometimes even 5 options with a range of brands and system types and system setups. We're looking at Ductless and ducted. We're looking at Mitsubishi, but we're also looking at Bryant, and we're looking at, do you want a partial system where you're still keeping a furnace or a boiler, or do you want a heat pump to replace your entire system? And those are truly options. Going to other companies where company A is giving you a Mitsubishi quote, company B is giving you a Mitsubishi quote, and C is giving you a Mitsubishi quote, and they're all owned by the same private equity firm, that's really not an option.
For all your heat